Howdy y'all, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Alta Sunset Heights. The Alta Sunset Heights, they just opened up recently. These are really pretty apartments. I think you're really gonna enjoy on this tour. They are just recently constructed. I would call them, this is just on the edge of the upper heights or the greater heights. And it's got a great location. It's close to the lower heights, it's close to downtown. It's kind of by itself in a way, and I frankly like the area. It's really close to the highway. It's easy to get out, but it feels, just a little kind of tucked in, if you would. So this is the Alta Sunset Heights. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do the best tour ever. We're gonna do like it's like a tour, like you're walking around here on the tour. We're gonna shorten that up though, but we're gonna take you on the tour, and it's gonna be about 12 little bitty videos, probably an hour or so. I'm sorry, a minute or so for each video, and then you're gonna be able to watch the amenities. You're gonna see the two models, and then you're gonna see what life is like. It's here at any time that you want to do a virtual or a live tour. Send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I'd really like to see this. Can you set up a tour, on my iPhone or live in person? Also, I'd recommend to do our Heights tours. Our Heights tours are basically, you can just grab and see the best 4 or 5 Heights tours. You can do that virtually or live, and we can set that up free also as part of our free service. My number is below, just text me anytime. Okay, now we're gonna talk a little bit about the area. That'll be our next video. So let's do that right now.